Hello, I'm Brandon Smith, Automotive Instructor. Welcome to Automotive Service.
How would you like to learn to work on almost any vehicle in today's fast-changing automotive industry? At Caddo Kiowa Technology Center, you'll train to diagnose, repair, and maintain both imported and domestic cars, using the same advanced diagnostic equipment trusted by professionals. Our modern shop gives you hands-on experience with the complex systems that drive today's vehicles. From engines and transmissions to electronics and computer-controlled systems, you'll build the skills employers want. With CKTC's Automotive Service Technology program, you'll not only get the training you need to launch your career, you'll also have the chance to earn the ASE Student Certificate, proving you're skilled and ready to work. Turn your passion for cars into a professional career at Caddo Kiowa Technology Center.